Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to make reels or create reels on Instagram. So to begin with, update your application, check your internet connection and log in into your Instagram account. So once you're logged in, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the page and select reels. So go to your profile once you're logged in and tap the arrow icon or the plus icon from the top and select reels. Once you select reels, now you can just go ahead and record or upload your video clip. So if you want to record it, go to the camera from the top, and if you've already recorded it, then tap the draft button, or you can select it from your gallery as well. You can also use the template, you can also use all of these features, all sort of thing. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and adjust your reel settings. You can also add music to it, you can also add text to on your clip, you can also add emojis, add clip, which is right at the bottom. And if you want to edit the particular video, you can just simply go ahead and tap the edit video button, and once you're done with this procedure, tap the next button. On the other page, you'll be taken to the last summary page, where you can just go ahead and tag people, select the audience preferences and add topic to it. You can also rename audio, you can also add locations, you can also share it to your Facebook at the same time. So you can go through all of it and tap the share button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully made or created a reels on Instagram. So in this way you can make reels on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.